Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zello app and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.